welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Guys, there are so many people that have no clue what skincare is. They have no clue where to start with skincare, and they are really confused about everything skincare. So today's video, I decided to answer the 10 most asked questions relating to skincare, because you will be surprised the questions that people have when it comes to skincare. And today I will be your guide. I will answer your questions, and I hope that this video would be helpful to you. I did a similar video relating to makeup, so you can check it out if you want the most asked questions relating to makeup up here. But today's video is all about skincare, so if you want to know the answers to these questions, then keep on watching. The first question is, what is the best skincare line? That's a very tough question, and I don't even think there is an answer to that question, because there are so many skincare brands, and I don't think there's one skincare brand that does it all. Like, they have the perfect skincare line. Some will be good, some will be bad. So the best skincare line is not something that I'll be able to answer generally, because I have a different skin type, and what might work for me might not work for you. So it's just best to try out different skincare lines to know the one that suits you best. For now, me, I don't have a best skincare line. I use a wide range of products, from The Ordinary to The Body Shop and a host of others. So there is no best skincare line. How do you build a skincare routine? Okay, to build a skincare routine, you need the basics. I've talked about this in a previous video, which I'm going to link up here. But let me just tell you the basic thing your skincare routine should contain. Your skincare routine should contain cleanser. It should contain moisturizer. It should contain sunscreen. Then, due to your skin type and your skin problems, you can start adding things like toner, serum, exfoliant, and all the rest. But a basic skincare routine should involve cleansing, moisturizer, and sunscreen in the morning. What is combination skin? Okay, so combination skin, just like the name implies, is skin that is oily in some areas, dry in some areas, normal in some areas. So like the T-zone is generally more oilier than the rest of the face. So this is the T-zone. Then the outer areas of the face would be dry or normal. The pore sizes for someone with combination skin is usually more visible outside the cheek. So if you have combination skin, just look at your skin. Is it dry in some areas, oily in some areas, normal in some areas? Is your T-zone more oilier, and do you have more visible pores around your cheeks? Then you probably have combination skin. But you should always go and check with the dermatologist to actually confirm your skin type, so that you would know the right products to use for it. What is AHA in skincare? This video is going to be very essential for my audience, because you guys will be hearing so much about all these keywords in my previous videos, and you would have probably been confused. So I feel like this video is going to be a great starter for anyone that is starting in skincare and you just want to know the basics. So now let me answer the question. AHA. The full meaning of AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. Don't be scared when you hear acid. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. So it's an exfoliant that helps to get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin. It helps to increase cell turnover. But when you're using AHA, please use it with a sunscreen. Don't use it without sunscreen, because it can make your skin very sensitive. So examples of AHAs include mandelic acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is the strongest AHA among all the rest I just mentioned, while lactic acid and mandelic acid, they are more gentle for the skin. So you can use the one that is best suited for you. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to use something more gentle for you. So you've watched to this point and you like me, you're enjoying the video, you're learning so much from the video. Why don't you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so that you wouldn't miss a single upload, so you can learn more about skincare, and we're gonna take care of our skin together. What do you think about that? Isn't that a good bargain? Subscribe. Okay. Let's get back into the video. Okay, what does toner do for your face? Now, I know in previous videos I've talked about how toners are not really essential in your skincare routine. Yes, they are not essential in your skincare routine, but if you use it in your skincare routine, they actually have benefits. When I say essential, I mean for a basic skincare routine, you can do without it. But here are the benefits of toner. First of all, toner rehydrates your skin. So after cleansing, using a toner, it adds more hydration to your skin. And also, toners prep the skin for other skincare products like serums and the rest. So toners are actually good. We have two types of toners. We have the exfoliating toners and the hydrating toners. So hydrating toners are the ones that are responsible for adding hydration to your skin, while exfoliating toners, like the name implies, they exfoliate your skin. They don't necessarily add hydration to your skin. So there is a difference. So when you're buying a toner, make sure you know what type of toner you are buying so that you don't mix and match. What does vitamin C do for your skin? Vitamin C is such an important skincare ingredient. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, which means that it will help to fight free radicals that can cause hyperpigmentation, thereby helping to brighten your skin. So vitamin C is good for brightening the skin. It also helps to boost SPF, so it's always advisable to use vitamin C in the morning, because when you use it underneath your sunscreen, it boosts the SPF in the sunscreen and makes the SPF and the sunscreen protect your skin even better against the sun rays. And lastly, vitamin C increases collagen in the skin, which will help you with anti-aging. So if you don't want your skin to age, you better start using vitamin C now. What does hyaluronic acid do? I think it's important for you to note that hyaluronic acid is not an exfoliant. I know in skincare, once you hear acid, you just associate it with exfoliant, because we have glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, salicylic acid. So, but hyaluronic acid is not an exfoliant. It draws moisture into the skin. Basically, that's just the role of hyaluronic acid, drawing moisture into the skin. So when you want to use hyaluronic acid, it's best that you use hyaluronic acid on a damp skin and use a moisturizer after, because if you don't, hyaluronic acid will do the opposite to your skin, because it draws in moisture. Once you put it on your face, it catches all the moisture. So now if you don't put a moisturizer on top of the hyaluronic acid for the hyaluronic acid to draw the moisture, instead the hyaluronic acid will be drawing the moisture from your own skin, thereby leaving your skin even drier than it was before you apply the hyaluronic acid. That's why some people, they use hyaluronic acid and they get irritated and they see that this hyaluronic acid is supposed to make my skin much more hydrating, but why is it not doing that? So when you're using hyaluronic acid, best use it on a damp skin and apply moisturizer on top of it, and you're going to get the maximum benefits of hyaluronic acid. Okay, what does lactic acid do? We've mentioned lactic acid. Lactic acid is an exfoliant, so it exfoliates dead skin cells. It can also help to hydrate the skin, and also it's a tyrosinase inhibitor, which means that it's going to help with hyperpigmentation. So skincare ingredients that are tyrosinase inhibitors tend to help with hyperpigmentation. So lactic acid hydrates, help with hyperpigmentation, and exfoliates the skin. What does glycolic acid do? Glycolic acid is an exfoliant, so it exfoliates the skin and also helps with brightening of the skin. People have a lot of questions on this acid. I know that they'll be so confused, like, why are we putting acid on our skin? Do we want to burn our skin? No. Your skin is safe. Just use sunscreen after. If not, your skin is going to burn. So be careful with using all these acids. Now, the final question among all the most asked skincare questions of 2022. This is the last, but certainly not the least. Okay, how to dermaplane? There was a time dermaplaning was, is it dermaplaning or dermaplaning? I don't know. So there was a time dermaplaning was trending all over social media. Everyone was shaving their face. So I am not a licensed specialist or esthetician, so I am not going to be in the best place to talk about dermaplaning to you because I don't want to mislead you. But in essence, dermaplaning is just something like shaving your face, but the razor is definitely different from what your normal razor is. So don't do it yourself. If you want to dermaplane, don't get that esthetician's razor and do it yourself. It's not safe, so please don't do it yourself. Go where is licensed. So dermaplaning is not just all about shaving, it helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, so you have to thread very carefully so you don't hurt yourself. That is why I would recommend you go where is licensed and they are certified and know their shit. Okay. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, so I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you have any more skincare questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If there's one thing about me, I'm gonna reply all the comments, so feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section. If you guys want a dedicated video on something, then leave it in the comment section. Leave all your video requests in the comment section and I will deliver it for you guys. If you guys want to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, all Mathildaduku. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you love me, if you want to support me, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But before then, please check out my other videos. I will leave my skincare playlist here and I'll leave another skincare video here for you, so don't miss any video because it's all information packed. So what are you waiting for? Click it. Okay, I'm waiting. Click, click, click.